everyone. Today we will discuss how to remove dead skin on your feet. Are you unable to wear your pretty sandals in the summer because your feet look so ugly? Have your feet become dry and chapped, or have your heels cracked even during the winter months? Situations are usually due to a buildup of dead skin on the feet. Skin on the feet is naturally dry as the feet have no oil glands. Consequently, you need to keep them well moisturized in order for the skin to stay soft and healthy. Here are 6 simple remedies or treatments that you can do at home to remove dead skin from your feet. Home remedy number 1: soaking and pumice stone. Soaking helps loosen up the dead skin on your feet so you can scrub it off and reveal clean and healthy skin. Take pumice stone, liquid body soap, towel and moisturizer. Fill a small tub with warm water and add some liquid body soap. Soak your feet in it for about 20 minutes. Scrub off the dead skin with a pumice stone. Rinse, dry and moisturize your feet. Home remedy number 2: vinegar and Listerine. Vinegar and Listerine both can help you get rid of the rough layers of dead skin on your feet. Take vinegar, Listerine, warm water, loofah and towel. Mix hot water, vinegar, Listerine in a small foot tub. Soak your feet in the warm bath for 30 to 60 minutes. Soak your feet and gently scrub them with a loofah, especially your heels. Rinse your feet with cool water. Wipe them dry with a soft towel. Home remedy number 3: Epsom salt. Epsom salt soaks are extremely relaxing and a wonderful treat for your much abused feet. Take Epsom salt, aspirin, lemon juice, moisturizer, plastic wrap, towel and cotton socks. Fill the small tub with warm water. Add 1 cup of Epsom salt and stir until the salt is completely dissolved. Soak your feet in it for 30 to 40 minutes. Make a paste of lemon juice and aspirin. Apply the paste on your skin and seal it with plastic wrap. Remove the plastic wrap and wash your feet with cool water. Gently pat your feet dry with a soft towel. Apply a generous layer of moisturizer. Go to bed with cotton socks on your feet to seal in the moisture. Do this daily for 1 week. Home remedy number 4: dye scrub. Another effective way to remove dead skin from your feet is to use a dye scrub. Take brown sugar, honey, olive oil and lemon juice. Combine brown sugar, honey, olive oil and lemon juice in a bowl. Mix well and exfoliate your feet with the scrub to remove all the dead skin. Use the scrub 2 to 3 times a week for proper exfoliation. Home remedy number 5: Dead Sea Salt. Dead sea salt contains several minerals that are beneficial for your skin. Fill your foot bath with warm or hot water. Add 1 cup of dead sea salt. Soak your feet in it for at least 15 minutes. Do this once every week. Home remedy number 6: Ped egg foot file. Ped egg is a commercially available foot file which is shaped like an egg and is extremely useful for manually scraping dry, dead skin and calluses off your feet. Scrub off the dead skin with the file. Use this wonderful device at least once a week for beautiful feet.